In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beat tuner in Soundtrap. We'll start by setting up a drum track, program a solid groove, and then tune each drum so your beat sits perfectly with your song. By the end, you'll know how to make your drums feel musical, not just rhythmic. First, open Soundtrap and add a new track. Choose beats or drums, and pick a kit that matches your style. If you want a realistic vibe, go with an acoustic kit. For modern, punchy textures, choose an electronic kit. And if you're aiming for booming 808s and crisp snares, a hip-hop kit is a great starting point. Don't overthink it. Pick something that inspires you because you can always swap the kit later. Now let's program the beat. You can work in the step sequencer for quick patterns or use the piano roll for more detail. Lay down a basic groove. Place the kick on beats 1 and 3 and the snare on 2 and 4. This gives you a strong backbone. Add hi-hats and eighth notes for a steady bounce or 16th notes for a more energetic feel. If things feel a bit loose, use quantize to tighten the timing. Try a moderate strength so you keep the groove natural rather than robotic. To add life, adjust velocity. Slightly softer hats before louder ones create a subtle swing, and ghost notes on the snare can add movement without clutter. With a solid rhythm in place, it's time to tune the drums. Click on a specific drum, like the kick, snare, or tom, and open the drum settings or tuning section. Use the pitch control to shape the sound. Lowering the kick's pitch makes it deeper and heavier. Raising it can make it tighter and more punchy. For the snare, a small pitch increase sharpens the crack, while a slight drop warms it up. Toms benefit from tuning to your song's key, especially if they play fills. Many kits allow fine adjustments in cents, which helps you land pitch precisely without overdoing it. A practical example: if your bass line centers on a specific root note, tune your kick close to that note to create a cohesive, harmonic punch. Use your ears and the solo button to zero in, and A-B with and without the tuning to confirm it enhances the groove. Avoid extreme pitch shifts that introduce artifacts or remove body. Small, intentional moves are often all you need. That's it. Build the beat, tighten the feel, and tune each drum so it supports the music. Now press play and enjoy a beat that thumps in tune and in time.